updating your contacts and basic information on your Facebook personal page. So from your main page, just click on About, and on your left, you'll see Contact and Basic Info. And here on the right, you'll see a few options to change certain information. So the first one will be your email. It says one email address hidden from timeline. Okay, so no one can see this. This is the address you used, the email address you used to log in and to create this account. You can hit on edit, and you can either choose to remove it or change it, or change the privacy settings here on the right hand side to public, friends, or only me. Or you can make it go to custom. I'm just going to hit on cancel. Just leave it as it is. And then you can add a mobile number or a cell phone, depending where you live in the world. Here you can change the what country you're from, and then put your number in here, and then you can add another number or as many numbers as you want. So I'm just cancel that. Add your address. So this is your home address, and this, I know most people probably wouldn't put their home addresses, but if you did, you can keep it private to yourself or just your friends, or you can keep it public. It's entirely up to you. You can add a website and a social link. So your website, click on that, self-explanatory. Put the website URL over here and choose who can see it, and hit save changes. You can click on add a social link. You can choose from the list at the bottom here. Most of the major social media platforms are here already: Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, YouTube, Twitch, WhatsApp, Line, and so forth. And you just type in the name of your account, and if you want to add some more social media, you can add as many as you want. And then basic information, your date of birth, year of birth, gender, who you're interested in. For example, if you're interested in men or women, or you can just leave it blank. You can add a language that you speak, so you can just type in English so that people know that you speak English. And if you speak anything else like Spanish, you can type in Spanish. Or if you speak Arabic, or if you speak Hindi, or whatever languages that you speak, you can put that up here. Add your religious views. It's entirely up to you. Whatever you follow, whatever religion, you can put a description. And add your political views. So same with religion, you can add what you believe in and perhaps a description.